PZ016 pizza oven is a gravity-fed pizza oven that allows you to cook pizza between 400 degrees and 900 degrees, but it's also great for a lot of variety of items. So today I want to show you how to do a cast iron skillet T-bone steak in the oven. We're going to start by preheating the oven to about 650 to 700 degrees, and then we're going to take our cast iron skillet and we're going to preheat it for 20 minutes. We're going to then add butter to it and crushed garlic. We're going to let the butter melt onto the skillet, and then once it's melted, we're going to cook our T-bone steak at about 650 degrees. It's going to be about 1.5 minutes on each side, and we'll have a really nice medium rare steak. The PZ016 pizza oven. We've preheated it. We're now at 650 degrees, and we're going to insert our cast iron skillet. We simply open the door, and now we're going to put our skillet in. We want to remember when we take this out, it's going to be hot. Our oven's been on now with our cast iron skillet in it for 20 minutes. We're now ready to add our butter, garlic, and then our steak. Remember that our cast iron skillet is really hot. We should be right at about 700 degrees. We're going to add the butter, and you can see the sizzle. Throw our garlic in there. And now we're going to put our steak in there. And now we're back in the oven. And we're going to go for 1.5 minutes. Ready to turn our steak over. And we're back in for another 1.5 minutes. Ready to pull our steak out now. And there we have a beautiful steak. We have our steak all ready to eat. You can see that beautiful medium rare. That's a 3-minute steak in the PZ016. If you'd like more information about our pizza oven, look us up on the web at www.cookshack.com or give us a call at 1-800-423-0698.
Get smoking.